good question. Well, people who have gone through life and who have achieved a certain amount of success, they understand what it takes to get that success. And they understand the work and the effort that goes into building themselves, building their mindset, building their finances to get to that point. And it takes a lot of effort. And building a business is the same way. It's like a million piece puzzle that you're trying to put together and fit together so that it works and functions for you, for your finances, for your family, for your life. When you have a franchise, it basically takes half of that million pieces of puzzles and it takes that load off of the owner. So the franchise over here is working to do this side, and the owner over here is doing the other side. And when you take half of the load off of your ownership responsibilities, it frees you up as an owner to be and do more of the things that you're passionate about and that you love and you enjoy. And so bringing that knowledge of what it takes to be successful, knowing that you're going to be propelled faster if you have a team that's supporting you, and then utilizing that team to collectively work on this goal of both of you being truly successful together. That is very attractive to people that understand that it takes a village and a team, and it takes a lot of trial and error to be successful. So if you can limit that and use the resources that are available to you, you can be and achieve success at a much higher rate than going it on your own.